If you're on a mission to build muscle and achieve those gains you've been working hard for, then you know that diet plays a crucial role alongside your gym sessions. Fueling your body with the right nutrients at the right times can make a significant difference in your muscle building journey. In this article, we present to you the ultimate muscle building meal plan that will help you bulk up faster and more efficiently than ever before. Breakfast, the muscle boosting kickstart. The first meal of the day sets the tone for your muscle building adventure. Start your day with a balanced combination of scrambled eggs, whole wheat toast, and a side of avocado. This dynamic trio provides your body with the perfect mix of proteins and carbs to support muscle repair and provide sustained energy throughout the morning. Mid-morning snack, protein-packed boost. As the morning progresses, keep your metabolism fired up with a mid-morning snack that packs a protein punch. Treat yourself to a serving of Greek yogurt topped with a handful of mixed berries. The protein in the yogurt aids in muscle recovery, and the berries bring a dose of antioxidants to the table, promoting overall health. Lunch, grilled chicken salad power. Lunchtime calls for a meal that's not only satisfying but also packed with essential nutrients. Opt for a grilled chicken breast salad loaded with a variety of colorful vegetables. Add quinoa to the mix for complex carbs that keep your energy levels steady. Finish off with a drizzle of olive oil to provide those all-important healthy fats. Pre-workout, energizing banana and almonds. About an hour before you hit the gym, give your body the fuel it needs to power through your workout. Grab a banana and a handful of almonds. The carbohydrates in the banana offer quick energy, while the protein and healthy fats in almonds ensure your muscles are well nourished and ready to perform. Post-workout, the recovery shake. Immediately after your intense workout, your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients for recovery and growth. Prepare a protein shake using whey or plant-based protein powder, a banana, spinach, and almond milk. This potent concoction jump starts your recovery process, promoting muscle repair and growth. Dinner, fueling the nighttime repair. Dinner should be a well-rounded meal that supports your body's overnight repair and recovery. Opt for a lean steak or tofu if you follow a plant-based diet. Pair it with sweet potatoes for complex carbs and steamed broccoli for essential vitamins and minerals. This combination gives your body the nutrients it needs to recover and prepare for the day ahead. Before bed, casein protein elixir. Don't forget the importance of a final meal before you hit the hay. A casein protein shake is an excellent choice due to its slow digestion rate, providing a continuous supply of amino acids to your muscles as you sleep. This ensures that your muscles continue to receive nourishment throughout the night. Please subscribe to my channel for interesting videos and also thumbs up to the video before going. Don't forget to share this video with your friend.